is something magical about stepping into a kitchen that instantly feels warm, welcoming, and full of personality. For years, I dreamed of creating a space that combined the charm of a countryside cottage with practical solutions for modern living. Today, I'm finally bringing that vision to life with a beautiful yellow cottage kitchen that feels cheerful, cozy, and timeless. Join me as I transform an ordinary space into a heartwarming retreat filled with vintage character, clever storage ideas, and plenty of inspiration for small space living. Every dream kitchen begins with a color palette, and for me, yellow was the obvious choice. Yellow has a unique ability to brighten a room, lift the mood, and create a sense of comfort that few other colors can match. Instead of using bold, overwhelming shades, I chose a soft buttery yellow that feels gentle and nostalgic. It instantly evokes memories of sunny mornings, homemade meals, and charming countryside homes. This warm tone creates the perfect foundation for the cozy cottage atmosphere I wanted to achieve. Before adding furniture and decorative elements, I focused on establishing the cottage-style foundation of the room. The goal was to make the kitchen feel collected over time rather than freshly assembled from a showroom. Soft wall textures, classic cabinetry details, and subtle traditional accents helped create an authentic cottage aesthetic. By keeping the architectural elements simple and timeless, I ensured that every future decorative piece would feel naturally connected to the overall design instead of competing for attention. Cabinetry plays a major role in defining the character of any kitchen. Rather than opting for sleek modern designs, I selected cabinets with classic panel detailing and vintage-inspired charm. Their traditional appearance instantly softened the room and complemented the warm yellow color palette beautifully. The cabinets provide practical storage while contributing to the storybook atmosphere I wanted to create. Small details such as decorative molding and timeless hardware help transform everyday storage into an attractive design feature. One of the best ways to balance yellow tones is by incorporating natural wood throughout the space. Warm wooden surfaces bring texture, depth, and authenticity to a cottage kitchen. I introduced wood through shelving, countertops, and decorative accents that highlight the natural grain and imperfections of the material. These elements create visual warmth while reinforcing the rustic charm of the room. The combination of yellow and wood feels both comforting and sophisticated, making the kitchen feel instantly lived in and welcoming. Open shelving became one of my favorite features because it combines storage and decoration in a very practical way. Instead of hiding everything behind cabinet doors, I used shelves to display everyday items that are both useful and beautiful. Vintage dishes, ceramic bowls, glass jars, and small decorative treasures all contribute to the cottage-inspired look. The shelves help the kitchen feel lighter and more spacious while giving me the opportunity to showcase pieces that reflect my personal style. A beautiful kitchen should also be functional, especially when space is limited. To maximize every inch, I incorporated smart storage solutions that keep the room organized without sacrificing charm. Vertical storage, hidden compartments, and multi-purpose organizers help reduce clutter while maintaining easy access to daily essentials. These thoughtful additions allow the kitchen to work efficiently behind the scenes, ensuring that the cozy cottage aesthetic remains clean, inviting, and practical for everyday use. The true personality of this kitchen comes from the decorative pieces that tell a story. Rather than purchasing everything brand new, I mixed vintage-inspired finds with meaningful accessories collected over time. Antique-style containers, old-fashioned kitchen tools, woven baskets, and charming ceramics help create a sense of history and character. These details make the space feel unique and personal, turning the kitchen into more than just a place for cooking. It becomes a space filled with warmth, memories, and everyday beauty. With the cabinetry and decorative foundation in place, it was time to choose countertops that would complement the cottage aesthetic while remaining durable for everyday use. I wanted a surface that felt timeless rather than trendy, something that could gracefully age alongside the rest of the kitchen. Soft neutral tones worked beautifully against the warm yellow cabinetry, creating balance without drawing too much attention. The countertops provide a clean visual break between colors and textures, helping the entire kitchen feel cohesive, inviting, and thoughtfully designed. Textiles may seem like small details, but they have a remarkable ability to transform the atmosphere of a room. To enhance the cozy cottage feeling, I introduced soft fabrics through curtains, seat cushions, table linens, and kitchen towels. These elements add warmth and texture while softening the harder surfaces typically found in kitchens. Gentle patterns and subtle vintage-inspired designs contribute to the nostalgic character of the space. Together, these textiles make the kitchen feel comfortable, relaxed, and truly lived in rather than simply decorated. No cottage-inspired kitchen feels complete without a touch of nature. Plants and fresh flowers instantly bring life, color, and freshness into the room. I carefully selected greenery that complements the warm yellow palette while introducing a natural contrast that feels both calming and uplifting. Small potted herbs serve a practical purpose while enhancing the visual appeal of the space. Seasonal flowers placed in simple vases add an ever-changing decorative element, making the kitchen feel connected to the outdoors and full of natural charm. One of my favorite additions to this dream kitchen is a small breakfast corner designed for quiet mornings and relaxed conversations. Even in a compact space, creating a dedicated seating area can make the kitchen feel more functional and welcoming. A charming table paired with comfortable seating transforms an unused corner into a destination within the room. Whether enjoying a cup of coffee, reading a book, or sharing a meal with family, this cozy nook encourages slower, more meaningful moments throughout the day. While aesthetics were important, I never wanted this kitchen to become a space that looked beautiful but felt impractical. Every decorative decision was balanced with functionality to ensure the room supports daily routines effortlessly. Frequently used items remain accessible, storage solutions reduce clutter, and work areas are organized for convenience. This thoughtful balance between form and function allows the kitchen to maintain its charming appearance while performing efficiently. The result is a space that feels equally suited for entertaining guests and handling everyday tasks. As the transformation neared completion, it became clear that the smallest details often have the greatest impact. Decorative accessories, carefully chosen artwork, vintage-inspired hardware, and personal keepsakes all contribute to the kitchen's final character. These finishing touches help tell a story and create an emotional connection to the space. Rather than overwhelming the room, each piece was selected with intention, adding layers of personality that make the kitchen feel unique, authentic, and distinctly my own. The final step in creating my dream yellow cottage kitchen was choosing the right lighting. Good lighting does far more than brighten a room. It shapes the mood, highlights beautiful details, and enhances the overall atmosphere. I selected warm, inviting light sources that complement the yellow tones and vintage-inspired decor throughout the space. Soft ambient lighting creates a cozy glow during the evening, while functional task lighting supports daily kitchen activities. Together, these layers of illumination bring the entire design to life, ensuring the kitchen feels welcoming, comfortable, and beautifully radiant at any time of day.